every single person has some sort of social media account. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or even Pinterest, nearly every single person has some sort of social media account. Teenagers are typically more involved in social media than adults are. One of the most popular social media apps would have to be Snapchat. Snapchat is used by over 158 million people a day and is starting to concern the parents of the children involved with this app. In the following descriptions, I'm hoping to be able to inform you more about this social media app. When you first open Snapchat, the first thing that you will see is the camera. The camera is obviously the most important thing about this app. When you take a picture, you can slide to the left or to the right and it will give you different types of filters. It will give you the different colored filters, or it will give you the borderline filters. And then once you X out of that and you hold on to the picture button, you can pull up different types of face filters. There are plenty of different face filters to choose from, and then at the very bottom it'll show you a little icon and it will show you other different types of face filters, and you can choose from any of those. And then when you hear a song that's around you and you want to know the name of that song, but you don't, all you have to do is just hold your phone up to close to where that music is playing, hold on to the center of the screen until the music icons pop up on the screen, and then soon it'll pop up the song and the artist of that song. And then if you're wanting to decorate your snap, all you have to do is go to the center of the screen, and then there will be a little icon and it'll look like a sticker. All you have to do is just touch that, and then you can go through the different types of stickers, or you can go and search whichever ones you would like to decorate that snap. Once, of course you want to figure out how to do that, but first you have to have a person added as a friend first. To add a person as a friend, you will have to either use a snap code or search the person by username. When you search the person by username, all you have to do is just go to the search bar and type in their username, and you can add them by that. Or you can slide down to the person's snap code, and you can get your phone and their phone, and the other person holds their camera over your barcode, and then press the screen down, and then it will show up the person's Snapchat information, and you can add them by that way. How you can send a message: you can search each person and then you can privately message them, or you can go ahead and take a snap and then you can press the little arrow and then go and select each person you would like to send it to. How to create a group chat in case you need to have everybody in the group for like a project or a get-together. All you have to do is just go to create a group, and then you can select each different person that you would like to have in that group. But the max you can have in a group is 32 people. And sometimes like you don't want everybody to see your location or what you post, and so you can have different private stories, or you can have your location set to be different than everything else. To create a private story, all you have to do is just slide down like where you would see the barcode for your Snap username, and then it'll say create story. When you create a story, all you have to do is go to the private story, and then you can select each person that you would like on that private story, and then you can rename it to whatever you would like. And then sometimes you don't want your location to be out in the middle of everybody else to see. You might only want certain type of people to see it. So what you would do is you would slide down to see the map, and then there would be a little tool icon at the top, and you click on that tool icon, and then you will see like who you would like to share it with, if you even want your location to be shared, and if you want certain people to see it, you will choose the people that you would like to see, and you can select each person, or you can just go in ghost mode completely, or you can just let everybody see your location if you would like. And then you have different types of friends on Snapchat. Like you have your best friends, you have mutual friends, you have snap streaks, and you can label them like with different types of emojis. And so to get to that, you will go slide down to like how you're looking at the snap barcode, and then you will go to the tool at the top, and then it will bring you to a list of like different settings in the back, and you will go to the manage, and then you will tap on the manage, and then you can select the types of friend emojis that you have for each person in those types of categories. And so if you have a snap streak, normally it'll have like a heart, or you can just go back and change it to whatever you would like, and you can just have it any way that you would like to do it. And so I hope that this has helped you inform you a little bit more about the ins and the outs of Snapchat, and hopefully you will be more aware of what your children are looking at in the future.